Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Techno Tips. Myself Satish Chandra. In this video I want to explain a Google Sheet add-on called Yet Another Mail Merge or YAMM, and this is a easiest and effective add-on for the Google Sheet which are used to send the bulk emails from the Google Sheet. Okay, for example, like if you have a student grades you calculated and you have to place it in the Google Sheets, you can easily send the emails individually to their students' emails by using the add-on called Yet Another Mail Merge. So we'll see how actually it works through our demonstration. Okay, open the Google App Launcher and select the blank Google Sheet. And just rename the file with, say, for example, internal marks, and give the column name. So the first column name you should use as email address of the students. Next is the name, and the third column you should use is the marks. And for the time being I will use some of the sample email addresses. So in this first column you should mention the email address of all the students. Okay, for example, like the marks is 78. Next one more I will add, kirtan.rai@sdmcujre.in, and the name and the marks, say for example 96. And one more I will add, satish.pd@gmail.com, the name and the marks. For example, one more I will add, say shailu.ujre@sdmcujre.in, name Shailesh Kumar, then the marks or the grades 97. Now what should do is, once you prepare this one, email address, name and the grades, just go to add-on and click on get add-on, and here the search for Yet Another Mail Merge, or you can select it from the there itself and click on continue, and the sync with your email ID. So if I want to sync with my email ID and click on allow. Okay, done. Now it's installed, and you can open that one by expanding the menu add-ons. Okay, before that you should create a template, email template. Instead of giving a to address, just specify the subject for the mail, like internal assessment marks. Okay, and in the body just you have to specify hello, and here you should specify the identifier. Identifier means the corresponding column names in the Google Sheet. For example, first hello name I want to place, and you have to place the identifiers within the double flower brackets. And next one I want to print the marks, like your first internal marks is something, and in the I want to add in one more identifier, that is marks, which is there in my Google Sheet, third column, marks. Okay, and for example, like congratulations or something else, you can add it over. And no need of sending, just close that one. Now it is saved in the draft. Then now click on add-on and click on Yet Another Mail Merge. Click on start mail merge. Okay, it will take some time to load YAMM. Once it is loaded, just click on continue. So maximum up to 50 mails you can send it over as a free, or if you are buying this, you can send 1500 email addresses per day. Just give the sender's name, for example Satish Chandra, and just you have to expand the email template and select the first one, that is I created in the mail, internal assessment marks 1 KB, and even you can track the email address, who is opened, who is clicked, everything. Once you're done, click on the send. So it will take few seconds to send. Yeah, now my 4 emails are sent and you have still 42, that is the daily package up to 50 mails you can send it over. Now we can see the mails are sent, and I will check it with my email ID. Okay, I got like internal assessment marks and say hello Satish Chandra, your marks is 78. See, now the mail is open and you can track it over here itself. Thank you.